There could be a variety of reasons that you're on the fence when it comes to buying AirPods 4 or AirPods Pros 2 in 2025. Yes, there are tons of options out there, but what I'm going to uncover about the AirPods in this video might make it easier to decide which way to go. I've been an avid user of the AirPods since the first AirPods Pros came out. I wasn't much of a fan of the normal AirPods lineup as I really wanted noise cancellation. But is it really worth it to buy AirPods 4 or AirPods Pros 2 in 2025? Especially since some new AirPods might be introduced this year. My name is J.I. I make videos on the technology in our lives and how we can use them to make our lives easier. And that includes helping you find the best earbuds. Now, my AirPods Pros 2 have been my travel companion on any trip I've taken, but I also use them heavily at home because of the incredible noise cancellation that this little set provides. There are so many options out there in regards to earbuds and headphones, and I've tried many different kinds. However, I always find myself coming back to my AirPods because of the incredible comfort, noise cancellation, and sound quality. And the final thing that keeps me using the AirPods is the seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. Pretty much all of the devices I use on a daily basis are Apple products, like my MacBook, my iPhone, my iPad, my Apple TV. If you're already in that ecosystem of devices, it just makes logical sense to get AirPods. I love the ability to watch something like Netflix or YouTube on my phone and then move over to my laptop so that I can edit videos without even touching my settings. The sound just seamlessly transfers over to whatever device I'm using. Yet the fit of the AirPods Pro isn't for everyone, and for that, the new AirPods 4 have a different design that might work for you and now also offers noise cancellation. Sound quality is very subjective. Even things like how a particular pair of earbuds fit inside your ear can drastically affect your listening experience. This is why I generally consider the regular AirPods to be the safest option for most people. AirPods sit very loosely in your ear, and because they're shaped like beans with a stem, they can fit almost anyone nicely. The reason I would recommend the AirPods lineup to anyone with an iPhone or in the Apple ecosystem is not just for the amazing sound quality. There is so much more to AirPods that just make everyday life a lot easier. Transparency mode, for example, is unlike any other feature you'll find on other earbuds. This allows you to use the powerful H2 chip to not only continuously listen to music, but also allows you to hear your surroundings. Loud noises like power tools or ambulances are actively minimized so they don't overpower your listening experience. The AirPods also have very innovative additions to monitor your hearing health. This includes allowing the AirPods to actively adjust your volume to protect your hearing health, and one of my favorite features coming to the AirPods Pro is the ability to use it as a clinical grade hearing aid. That's huge, and no other earbuds I know on the market offer this. You can also use the AirPods to perform your own in-home hearing test. Voice isolation isn't a groundbreaking feature, but the quality in how it's delivered is only found on AirPod devices where your voice on the phone call is isolated perfectly so that the person on the other end can hear you without any issues. Not only that, but features like conversation awareness automatically lowers the volume of what's playing so you can hear the person talking to you and brings it right back up when you're done chatting. A major advantage of the AirPods, depending on which ones you choose, is the case itself. Now, the MagSafe case is convenient because you can charge them with the same MagSafe charger you use for your phone. This obviously reduces the need for additional cables on the go. You can also track your AirPods in case you lose them using the built-in Find My feature, which precisely locates your AirPods using the U1 chip. Again, another feature that you can't find on any other third-party earbuds. There are so many advantages to using Apple-branded AirPods that not only make your listening experience enjoyable, but your overall experience as well. A lot of the features that I talked about in this video are exclusive to Apple AirPods and can't be replicated with third-party earbuds. At the end of the day, yes, your options do expand to other earbuds outside of the Apple ecosystem that could potentially sound better and also offer noise cancellation. However, if you want to have that seamless connectivity and experience that only Apple branded earbuds provide, your best bet are the newest AirPods. And by newest, I'm talking about the 2024 Apple AirPods Pro 2, or even the AirPods 4. If you're really on the fence about getting AirPods and you own an iPhone, my suggestion is to jump on them. For the majority of 2025, the Apple AirPods Pros 2 and the AirPods 4 are going to be the best AirPods you can buy, even with new AirPod generations possibly announced this year. It's always my recommendation to get last year's model, as you can get them much cheaper and they'll do an amazing job for years to come. Like always, I have the links to the best prices on Amazon for the AirPods Pro 2 and the AirPods 4, so go ahead and check those links down in the description below. Are you planning on buying the AirPods, or do you own a set of your own? Let me know in the description below, and even if you don't like the AirPods, are there another set of earbuds that you're using right now that you would recommend? Please sound off in the comments, because my audience would love to hear from you. My name is J.I. Thank you for watching, and thank you for kicking it with me.